2017 and 2020, and her hair was like from this to about her shoulder. So I'm like, so what happened to my hair? Why my hair not grow?
This is the great life.
Hey my friend, your girl here, Miss Naturalist, bring to you another video. As you see the title here, we're going to talk about hair care, blue magic, and all that good stuff, because your girl is feeling her hair. Now let me tell you something, it's the grace of God while my hair is growing, because let me tell you something, if it was up to me, I think I would have chopped this thing off, simply because my hair was a challenge for it to manifest and, you know, just to fit my face, because I'm that kind of girl, like if it doesn't suit my face, I'm going for that wig. But God, you know something, I am learning how to embrace my hair, and I felt like I am beautiful without the wigs. Now I'm not bashing wigs, because Lord knows when at that time when I needed it, it helps me, you know. So I'm not bashing wigs. I don't have a problem with wigs as far as who wear it. I don't want the misconception of it, you know. It helps me, and you know, that was that. But now I'm self-sufficient, where, you know, I can wear my hair on my own and not have to go to the wig. Now if you have been following up with me on my videos, I tend to give the wigs a break because my edges, still have an edges problem. I feel like the wig was sabotaging the parameter of my head, and simply because of that, I'm just having that super shine spot. Now it has been looking a lot better because I stopped wearing the wig for about, what, 3 to 4 months now. It's been 4 months, and it's going well. My hair is not growing fast enough as far as my edges, but it's getting there. Still thin, but you know what? I am embracing it. Now, I just want to talk about simple hair care and speaking to you about the product I decide to use, why I chose to use it, and why up until now I'm still consistent with the product. Now, I've been a product junkie for years, because I've been trying to find the right product that promised to do the job. Now, be honest with me. Have you been through that same situation, whereas, you know, you're excited about the whole natural journey? You've been buying those products that promise to give you the curls, give you the shines, give you that nice moist feeling and everything else that they promise on that the front or the description or whatever entice or whatever slogan, or you get the gist of it, right? The point is, they promised to do the job, but then it didn't work. I've been in that situation. So connect with me. Let's talk. Connect with me. Now, here's my thing. I just decided that I was going to go back to the basic and start from where I came from. Meaning that I remember using the Blue Magic back home in Jamaica. This was the product we were using. And so I said to myself, you know what? Why not just try something else? Like, think out the box. Forget about all these expensive products. And so I did that. Now, I remember when I started using it, I wasn't too satisfied at the beginning because, you know, I was experimenting, I was trying. It felt better than what I was accustomed to as far as the dryness, the brittleness, and all that other things with it. So when I realized that the Blue Magic helped my hair to feel better, it looks much healthier, shining and all of that. you know, I was happy with the result, but I just wanted more. You know, they always say you can never please mankind. You know, you one problem is solved, but your body's still feeling for more. And so I said to myself, okay, so my hair's starting to look better. I like the shine, I like the feel, but it still needs something else. Like, tell me if you ever went through that situation. I have, you know. And so I started to experiment again. Now, I never tossed this to the side. I never gave it a break. I think I'm on like my 12th bottle. I killed this thing. I killed this thing. It's just a product that I have to. It needs to be here. I have to have it all the time because it works for me. So I believe this is about my 12th bottle. Anyway, nevertheless, I started to experiment more on it, meaning using and mixing it with other products. Now, here is the bingo, the tip that I'm going to share with you, and why I chose to be consistent with it and never to toss it to the side. Now, I want to share with you that I don't use Blue Magic on my scalp. I used to in the very beginning because at that time, you know, I was testing and trying, going back to the basic. But now, I don't use it on my scalp anymore. I'm experimenting on other products, you know, just to kind of see how much my hair can grow a bit faster. Honestly, I've been comparing with other naturalists, and you know, we tend to do these things and we're not supposed to, but I compare myself with other naturalists. Like today I saw a video, no, sorry, not a video. Today I saw a picture on Facebook with a girl that's 2017 and 2020, and her hair was like from this to about her shoulder. So I'm like, so what happened to Femi here? Why am I here now, grow? Think of that nature. You know what I'm saying? Like, those moments hits me. But nevertheless, I'm still happy with the result. So here's what I get to understand. That my hair feels good. And everything else with it. Using these combination. These are the bingo. Bingo. Bingo, bingo. Once I mix Blue Magic with a little bit of CANTU, it says it all. And I'm not sure if that's going to work for everyone, but that's been working for me. And so I found that the combination of both just give my hair that beautiful look. And this is it. So with that being said, I wanted to share with you why I chose to use Blue Magic, and the main reason why I have to continue using it, because it has been doing wonders for me. Anytime that I'm gonna be twisting my hair, I just spray water, like a little bit of mist. I mist it and I mix these products. And that's what I do with my hair. My scalp is a different story. I will talk about that in another video because I'm experimenting. Like this year, I'm looking for more volume. So that being said, I'm doing more researches for more results. So hey, that's what I'm doing. But I just wanted to share with you and let you know that Blue Magic and the combination of CANTU, it's what's working for me 2020. It's working for me 2020. All right, so drop your comments below, y'all. Let me know how you feel about Blue Magic, if it's working for you. What do you mix with it? And tell me the result that you're getting from it. All right, don't forget now, if you do like this video, give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe if you're brand new to this channel here. Also, tune in with me while I talk about different type of topic and content that is valuable to the whole platform or the whole YouTube community. All right, don't forget, my friend, Jesus loves you. Bye.
Me love my God, Him a me savior, Him watch over me in everything me do, in everything me do. Jesus, me say, I Him alone a ruling on my life, my life. No care what the heathen do, I Him alone a ruling on my life, my life. I was lost, but now I'm found. Oh God, over Israeli trumpet sound. Preserve my life, Him a me shield and buckler. Deliver me mash up the joy in me, oh God. Big up